Icon TrueFix software is full of OEM repair information and a full-feature diagnostic aid for the professional technician. Used with Icon T8 and T10 scanners, tablets, phone or a computer with a browser. It provides comprehensive vehicle coverage from 1985 to today's vehicle. TrueFix covers most light-duty domestic, Asian and European vehicles, as well as specific vehicle lookup by vehicle identification number or year, make and model. TrueFix will help you find a solution faster with diagnostic flowcharts and detailed trouble code information lookups. Once the diagnosis is confirmed, TrueFix provides clear guidance on service procedures, required tools and warnings all in a single location, for both ease of finding information and speed of the repair. With advanced information and OEM location charts, you will be able to calibrate and repair related systems such as ADAS to OEM standards. Clear illustrations provide detail on identifying components and performing complicated repair tasks. In-depth multicolor comprehensive wiring diagrams allow easy tracing over multiple pages so electrical faults can be solved faster, as well as information on OBD2 DUIT CAN FD and ADAS protocols. OEM specifications are provided for torque, fluid and component requirements. Maintenance schedules provide overdue current and future vehicle maintenance needs. Keep up to date with the latest information with TSBs and recall notices. Included in the software is an advanced search capability to search all layers of content to find the solution and data you are looking for. Data comes directly from OEM and is provided through motor and is updated in real time to the latest OEM information releases. Diagnose and repair vehicles faster and more accurately with the Icon TrueFix.